Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best bag clips is probably one of the most underrated yet incredibly useful kitchen gadgets you can own, transforming your struggle with stale chips and messy pantries into a thing of the past with their simple yet effective design, ensuring your food stays fresher for longer and your kitchen remains organized and tidy, making them an essential tool for every home chef and snack enthusiast alike. Number 5. House Again 12-pack stainless steel chip bag clips. Tired of clips with sharp edges? Ours are covered with tightly glued silicone cases, ensuring safety for everyone, even children. You'll never worry about getting cut again. These come in 3 assorted bright colors: orange, blue, and red. This allows you to easily color code your food bags, adding a touch of art to your kitchen or office. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these clips are built to last. Their sleek and sturdy design makes them excellent for keeping your bag securely sealed. They are perfect for securing all sorts of food bags, from chips to frozen vegetables. You can also use them to organize mail, papers, or hang kitchen items. You'll receive 12 heavy-duty clamps in 3 different colors, with 4 clips of each color. Plus, our friendly customer service is here to help with any issues within 24 hours. What we like? These clips offer a unique silicone covering, ensuring no sharp edges for safe use. They also come in 3 assorted bright colors, allowing you to color code your bags. If you prioritize safety and organization with a touch of color, especially if you have children around, these are a great choice. What people say? Strong spring tension, solid build, and they actually seal bags instead of pretending to. No sharp edges, comfortable to handle, and they feel like they'll last for years. The silicone covers on the edges are pure genius. These stainless steel clips work on everything. Strong, perfect size and do not rust. They have a very strong spring, they are sufficiently rigidity to clamp reliably, and they have silicone jaw protectors that both prevent sharp edges coming in contact with whatever you're clamping as well as protecting your hands. The silicone also has a non-slip quality that makes the clip stay on where you put it far better than any other ones I have bought. Number 4. Cook with color bag clips with magnet, blue Ombre, 10-pack. Tired of not having enough bag clips? Invest in a set of durable, long-lasting, and kid-friendly clips to organize your home and office with a colorful set. This set includes 10 plastic clips with soft-touch rubber handles in beautiful umber blue shades. Their great shape and size are perfect for all different sized bags of chips and food. Designed with a non-slip ribbed end, these clips provide a super tight seal to lock in freshness. They feature a strong spring mechanism that is built to last. These fun and colorful clips come with a useful magnet on the back. Keep them handy on your fridge for easy reach and access. They can also hold light objects. Your satisfaction is our #1 goal. Please reach out to us with any issues or comments so we can ensure your order experience adds just the right color and taste. What we like? These feature a soft touch finish and a strong spring for an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh. A handy magnet on the back allows for easy storage on your fridge. If you're looking for clips that are comfortable to hold, provide a reliable seal, and offer convenient storage, these are ideal. What people say? We use them for everything from keeping open bags of chips closed tightly, to hanging notes on the fridge. You can use them to keep open bags of cereal tightly clamped closed up inside their boxes. Makes a great clamp for open bags of salads that don't reseal. Just fold the bags down, let the air out, and clamp it and it's ready to go back in the fridge. And they work great as paper clips as well for keeping stacks of papers or envelopes mail items clamped together. Extra great grips keep things held tightly closed or in place, and you can hang them or use them as magnets as well. These clips seem to be better made and sturdier than those I've purchased the last few years. None have fallen apart, and that's a major plus. The magnets are strong enough to go on the refrigerator and hold something, and a lot of times magnets aren't strong enough, but these do 2 jobs correctly. The other is the chip clip, which is really strong and great. Number 3. Ikea Bevara Bag Sealing Clips. Introducing the Ikea Bevara Bag Sealing Clips, your solution for keeping food fresh. This pack includes 30 clips in 2 convenient sizes. These clips are perfect for sealing all your food and snack bags. They ensure your food stays fresh for longer, reducing waste. Designed for your convenience, they are safe to use in the freezer and can be easily cleaned in the dishwasher. Experience a fast clip and seal action that makes preserving your food quick and effortless. Simply clip and go. Each pack contains 20 long clips and 10 extra long clips. You'll have plenty to organize your kitchen and pantry. What we like. This pack offers a generous quantity with 2 different sizes to accommodate various bag types. They are also freezer safe and dishwasher safe, making them incredibly versatile for all your food storage needs. If you need a large quantity of reliable clips that can handle extreme temperatures and easy cleaning, this is the perfect option. What people say. These clips are functional and practical and come in a couple of sizes. They attach securely and don't fall off. Even on bags in the freezer that get moved around as you search for something. These clips actually stay attached to the bags and seal them tight. Small, conveniently stores in a drawer, and they do not have springs to break. Number 2. Mr. Pen Magnetic Chip Clips. Introducing the Mr. Pen Magnetic Chip Clips, a set of 6 vibrant clips in assorted colors. They are designed to keep your bag securely closed and add a touch of organization to your life. Each clip features a powerful embedded magnet, perfect for attaching notes, photos, or recipes to your fridge. It's a convenient way to keep important items visible and accessible. Crafted from durable plastic with a robust stainless steel spring, these clips are built to last. They provide a firm and secure hold on various materials, ensuring your bag stays sealed. Measuring 3 inches long, these clips can handle materials up to 1.5 inches thick with ease. They are ideal for a wide range of bag sizes and types. Beyond just sealing food packages, these versatile clips are perfect for organizing your home, office, and kitchen. Keep your spaces tidy and efficient with this simple yet effective solution. This package contains 6 magnetic bag clips in 6 distinct colors: blue, green, pink, red, white, and orange. You'll have plenty to use throughout your home. What we like. These clips are made from durable plastic with a strong stainless steel spring, ensuring a firm hold. The embedded magnet is perfect for hanging recipes or messages. If you appreciate a strong grip, need a clip that can also serve as a handy organizer for notes and photos, and like having multiple color options, these are a solid pick. What people say. These are good quality clips that feel like they will last. They are magnetic and I can easily grab one off the fridge. They are strong but not hard to squeeze and open. They have a weight to them that makes them feel sturdy. Sealing a bag with one of these clips will definitely help to keep the food fresh longer. Great set of clips. They have a tight hold on chip and cookie bags. They are great for clipping papers together. Plus they have a good hold on the fridge door. My kids have something to be signed or looked at, they can hang it right up on the door, can't miss it. They came in multicolors. But I am mostly impressed with the tight grip, and they are very sturdy. Update, still going strong almost a year later. Sturdy magnet. I keep the ones I do not use on the refrigerator until I need them. I use them on dog food bags as well as food bags, and they work absolutely wonderfully. They are indeed magnetic and have a strong grip on the refrigerator when not in use. They open and close with ease, and when in use closing a chip bag or other bag, it really holds it in place. These magnets work excellent. Number 1. Mr. Pen Squeeze and Lock Bread Bag Clips, 8-pack, multicolor. Introducing our set of 8 reusable bread bag clips in assorted colors. They are designed to keep your food fresh for longer. Made from durable plastic, these clips provide a secure seal for your bags. They are built to last without breaking. These are perfect for most thin and flimsy snack bags. Use them for bread, chips, candy, and more. Using them is simple. Just squeeze to seal your bag airtight. It's an effortless way to keep your snacks fresh. They work by locking in moisture and preventing staleness. Enjoy your food as fresh as when you first opened it. What we like. Designed for ease of use, these clips simply require a squeeze to create an airtight seal, perfect for thin and flimsy bags. They are reusable and made of durable plastic to keep food fresh by locking in moisture. If you frequently deal with bread bags, snack bags, or candy wrappers and want a simple, effective, and reusable solution, these are for you. What people say. The clips are sturdy and hold bags securely, preventing spills. Easy to use and keep food fresh for longer periods. The design is compact and they don't take up much space in the drawer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.